On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you the fastest way to fix the internet slow problem on any Android phone. So all what you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone. Now this is the settings. As you can see right here, you will find many options. First thing, click on wireless and network. It's the first option right here. After you click on it, it will take you into this page. So all what you want to do here is go into the Wi-Fi. And now all what you want to do is turn off and turn on again. Now after that, you have to go back and now go into the airplane mode, enable it and disable it again, and go into the home page and turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the Wi-Fi must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.